How's it going, guys? Welcome to the channel again. So as you can see, I brought this car in the tire shop because I've been losing the tire pressure on the left side. I don't know what really happened. So this tire doesn't really look good. So, and there's a big hole in there, so I have no idea what's going on. So they lift the car up, so they're gonna change the tire, I guess, or they're gonna find out what's really going on. So they took the tire in, they're gonna check what's really going on in the tire. As we can see here, this rotor has a lot of bump on it, even though it's a new rotor. It's not been there for too long. So I think there's some kind of problem happening in the caliper. That's why it has this kind of scratches. And whenever I brake, it looks like, I mean, when the car is speeding, whenever I brake, it feels like the steering and the wheel is kind of shaking. So I have to find out the reason what's going on in the caliper. So probably whenever they put the rotor on, they didn't really clean it very well, or something is happening in the caliper. The one at the back is really hard to see, but as you can see here, it's kind of old, but I didn't change this one when I changed the one at the front. So can we put some air on it? Already. Oh. Okay, so as you can see, this tire is totally damaged. It has like several holes on it. Like this whole tire has to be changed. I mean, it has been leaking, but not very fast. But every week you'll find less air in it, something like that. That's what he said. Anyways, so looks like all the four tires has to be changed because I haven't changed these tires for a while. Actually, I can fix the tire today because I have an appointment. I have to go somewhere on time. I can be late. In fact, I'm on my way right now. But the problem is the tire conditions are really bad. I have to change those as soon as possible because driving on this kind of tire is really dangerous. I really shouldn't take the risk. As he said, probably all of them will have to be changed because none of them are in a good condition. Early in the morning when I saw it has low pressure, I thought probably it's just the air, and then I took it to the tire shop. I figured it's not just the air, it has like more than one holes. Well, it is what it is, so I'm going to end the video right here. So let's see if I can upload another video of changing all those tires in the future. Well, until then, you guys have a good one. Take care. Bye.